Welcome to Lakeshore RV Center. We have this beautiful 2022 Montana 3781 rear living with 4 slide outs. It is now on clearance and ready to go home with you. Whether you pick up here at the dealership or we ship it to your campground or your driveway, Lakeshore RV can't wait to help you with nationwide financing, or check out one of the other 250 options at lakeshore-rv.com. My name's April Welch at 231-788-2040, and I can't wait to help make your summer memories come true. Welcome to Lakeshore RV Center. Again, we're inside the new 2022 Montana 3781 rear living fifth wheel. If you have been looking for more room for everything you need, this 4 slide out 41-foot fifth wheel is exactly what you've been looking for. At $622 a month with approved financing, this one could be yours. Hurry up though, because it is on clearance for under $88,000. You can never imagine having a luxury fifth wheel quite like this. My name's April Welch here at Lakeshore RV Center. You can find me at 231-788-2040. And if you'd like to see more of what we have, lakeshore-rv.com. But if you want this one delivered to you, give us a call while it's still here.